All right, so I'm about to hop in the shower. And what I do, there are two fast methods that I use to get in the shower, get some steam without getting my hair wet. Here's method number one. Is my tried and true. I've done a YouTube video on this before. I used to use these little clips and I secure. I grab a large chunk, or large enough to fit in the clip, and I pin. And what it does, it allows all of the moisture and the steam from the shower to penetrate my hair for a nice little steam, little moisture session without me getting my hair wet. Especially as we start to enter the cooler months, you don't want to have wet hair. Yes. And that's it. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. You look kind of crazy, but it works. A little frazzled from the last takedown. Method number two is my newest updated method, which is so quick and easy. And it is using one of those lock socks that you can get. And I'll tag them, give you the information. But you just take your hair forward. And I just simply put on this lock sock, jam my hair in there. And they come in so many beautiful patterns, guys. And this is actually a stylish way to wear your hair. But you can also use it to get in the shower. Look how fast it is. You want almost no hair getting wet, take it out. Still want some steam, bring it on down. And then those ends can get some steam, and it's totally off of your hair in a lickety split. So, afterwards, as you can see, my hair is, well, you can't see, but it's totally dry. Yet my hair is moisturized. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not dry looking. And that's from, again, getting that steam from the shower. So, hope this tip helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.